Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your credit card with Fifth Third Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your credit card with Fifth Third Bank, start by logging into your Fifth Third online banking account. Navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the Security Center option. Here, you will find a variety of tools and resources aimed at enhancing your account security. Begin with enabling transaction alerts. These alerts notify you of any purchases made on your card, helping you spot unauthorized transactions quickly. Next, consider setting up a travel notice. This feature informs the bank of your travel plans, preventing your card from being flagged for suspicious activity. Activate two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This requires a second form of identification when logging in, such as a code sent to your mobile device. Regularly monitor your account statements for unfamiliar charges. If you spot any discrepancies, report them immediately to Fifth Third Bank's customer service. Consider using virtual card numbers for online shopping. These temporary numbers are linked to your main account and can reduce fraud risk. Review your credit report annually for inaccuracies. You can obtain your credit report for free once a year from each major credit bureau. Set strong, unique passwords for your banking accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information such as birthdays or names. Be cautious about sharing personal information over the phone or online. Lastly, stay informed about the latest scams and fraudulent activities. Fifth Third Bank provides updates and educational resources to help you stay vigilant. Following these steps will significantly enhance your credit card security. By being proactive, you can protect your financial well-being. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.